Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about how to choose hot and cold air conditioning. A hot and cold air conditioner, as its name suggests, is an electrical device with the ability to cool and also heat the environment. It is an interesting model to use all year round, following all changes in climate and seasons. This option is different from the traditional model, which has mechanical systems that absorb the hot air from the environment and cool it to keep the temperature down. In this way, hot and cold air conditioning can be a versatile option for the winter. Other equipment, such as gas or space heaters, also helps to provide warm baths and comfortable rooms during the coldest season of the year. Here are some tips to get an air conditioner that cools and heats right. Checking the power of the air conditioner is one of the main points before choosing the right model. This is because it is a factor that directly impacts the performance of the machine and the environment where it will be installed. Thus, it is consistent to choose a product whose performance reaches the entire room and can cool or heat the people present. A simple way to evaluate this aspect is to analyze the number of BTUs, a measure that tells us the potential of the device to perform its functions. The higher the number of BTUs of an air conditioner, the more powerful is the motor capacity of the machine. Nowadays there are several ways to calculate the average BTU value before the purchase. An important piece of information for choosing the right air conditioner is to know the size of the room where the user wants to install it. Thus, the manufacturers themselves can provide the square meters x BTU ratio. All devices connected to the outlet need to consume electricity to function. It is therefore convenient to examine how many kilowatts this device absorbs during the month while in operation, especially if the model is used constantly during hot and cold seasons. This information can be found on a sticker usually attached to the surface of the appliances, although you can also check it on the box and in the instruction manual. Consulting the electric power consumption characteristics is essential to avoid surprises in the electricity bill at the end of the month, and can be useful for consumers who usually calculate in spreadsheets the expenses of each electronic at home. Generally, the power consumption is intrinsically linked to the power of the device. Therefore, the more powerful its performance, the greater the amount of energy needed to make it work. With this in mind, many companies offer air conditioners that promise to save up to 70% of electricity at the end of the month. These models operate with inverter technology, a solution that keeps the compressor running constantly so as not to generate peaks in consumption. As said before, energy consumption is linked to the power that the machine provides. So, an appliance capable of cooling and heating holds a higher power than conventional models, which makes it more expensive. Therefore, the consumer must verify the need to enjoy both functions. Otherwise, he would pay for a service that he will not use, and the electricity bill at the end of the month would be higher than if he used a conventional air conditioner. Another essential detail is to check the amount of noise the machine makes. This is because constant noise can disturb concentration during work and study, or relaxation during sleep. Even at meetings with friends and family, the sound can be inconvenient. The quietest air conditioning models are usually those with the inverter technology, because as the compressor is constantly on, it avoids sound alterations caused by turning the equipment off and on. The split technology is also highly recommended since it does not have a condenser or evaporator within the same room, which distances the machine from the rooms and reduces the noise emitted. The voltage of the outlets changes according to the region of a country, so it is necessary to choose products that suit the power supply available in your city. This is a very important point since plugging the device into an incorrect voltage can cause problems for the equipment and the local electrical installation. For example, if a device that needs 110 volts to function is plugged into a 220 volts outlet, the device will burn out due to exposure to a higher voltage than that support. If the opposite happens, the equipment tends to work with half the necessary power, because the current does not provide enough voltage, and this use for a long time can damage the product. Here ends our video on tips to choose hot and cold air conditioning. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.